Hey ladies, how's it going? It's me, April, with April with the Sparkle. I know it's been forever, been like 3 years or so since I actually officially posted a video. So we are going to go ahead and do some nails on this dynamic nail supply practice hand. We're going to be using some stiletto tips and glitter. All right, let's put that tip to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and put some clear acrylic onto the nail so we can add the glitters onto it. And this finger here, it is going to be pretty much all glitter, you know, kind of like a glitter fade. So on the tip, it's going to have like a little bit of nude, the glitter, and then it's gonna have the tip like a semi-clear transparent type thing. So that's what that's gonna have, and it's gonna have a little gummy bear. It's gonna be super duper cute. But I decided to use these two glitters because, you know, why not? You know, they look really pretty together. So I was like, let's do it. Okay. All right, so with this nail, what we're gonna do is pretty much kind of the same thing, but this one I kind of wanted to add the glitter in a kind of like a stiletto shape, you know? So I kind of wanted to do glitter in the middle and have that point at the end, but I mean, you'll see what I'm trying to say, you know, once I start like fleshing it to the middle. But I just kind of wanted to do it like in a stiletto angle and have the sides to be, you know, clear. I mean, I really don't know how to describe it, but as you can see, you know, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so we are going to go ahead and add the nude that I have here is Dusty Rose, and it is from Jacqueline Acosta. I don't really think I'm saying that right, but that's what that acrylic is from. I do have quite a few of her acrylics, and they are so pretty. I really, really like them. It's a bunch of nudes, and yeah, I have this thing about nudes. Acrylic nudes. Okay, so yeah, it's really pretty. So what we're doing is just going to add a little bit of nude on the tip, on the top part of her nail, and we are just fading it down. And like I said, with this one, it's just I wanted a little bit of nude on the top, so it's not like I'm putting a lot like I did on the index finger. Because this one, I want the glitter. I want the glitter to show while I have the gummy bear on top of it. So I'm just gonna have a little hint of nude on that finger that I'm working on right now. All right, and so we're just going to add a little bit of clear, and this is from X-Ray Clear from Dynamic Nail Supply. If you follow my Instagram, you know I've been using a lot of their acrylics, so I'm always pretty much trying to advertise them because they are really, really good. Smooth like butter. I'm telling you, you need to try them. Now we're going to add the nude onto the middle finger, and that's going to be pretty much all nude. And then we're going to be painting on some striped lines on that. Dude, I am so excited. So my friend, Belinda, she had showed me on AliExpress where I can get these liner paints. And I got some because, you know, the price was just so good. And these liner paints are really, really lovely. Like, they are very smooth, very pigmented. I mean, I go through it a couple of times, you know, with it, but you really don't need to. Like, they're so pigmented. I mean, with one line, you're good, you know. But I just have that habit to keep, you know, have to do it like a couple of times the line or whatever, you know, when you're painting. These you don't really need to. But I also got another set with it's the pastel, no, it's platinum, kind of the metallic colors. I can't wait until that comes in, so I will show you guys a manicure with those once it arrives. I'm super stoked. But, you know, thanks for my friend for letting me know where I can get these. And I will put the description down below so you guys can get one for yourself just because. Okay, so, but anyway, let's get back to the nails. Okay, so here they are. Wow. When I saw them in the mail and I got them and I opened the package, I was like, ah, right? But, yeah, I really like these colors. And then the brush, girl, it is so thin and workable. And they're not even like, you know how sometimes you get these liner brushes from like Sally's or whatever, and they're like crooked or weird, oddly shaped. But look at this. Look at the brush. Beautiful. Perfectly straight. No problem at all. I mean, watch me work, girl. All right, watch this mine. Bam. 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 I mean, look at that. Perfect. Watch, here it goes again. Watch. And bam. Bam. I mean, they're really good. They're pigmented. And you see how I keep going over and over and over. Honestly, you really don't need that. You just one coat and you are done, ma'am. All right, and I do cure through each striped line. So in here, in the next couple of colors, it's not going to be showing the curing. But I do cure because I don't want the colors to smudge or to have a marble effect or anything. I just want a plain, pretty, straight line. So you will be seeing the colors going on right now. But I do cure for each color. So while editing, I had noticed my middle finger was out of frame quite a few times. So I really do apologize for that. I'm so sorry. And we are going to be using some top coat, and this is a gel glue for rhinestones or anything like that. And you saw the little gummy bear that I'm going to use. It's so freaking cute. So we're just going to go ahead and add that gummy bear onto that finger and cure. And it looks really pretty. I really like it. So now we're going to go ahead and top coat this to finish the look. I really, really like these nails. I was like, wow, this is so pretty. I love it. But to be honest, I did see these nails from, it was a girl on Instagram, and I will tag her in my post in here. So, because, she was my inspiration. I really liked the nails that she had did, so I was like, let's remake, girl, with different colors. But yes, so I will put her information down below, because I love her work. She does a lot of great stuff, and there's a lot of artists out there that does awesome in nail art, and that's one thing that I want to learn. So here you go. Here is the final product. Guys, tell me what you think. Oh my God, it's been forever since I went all the way through this YouTube video. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. Peace out.